This is the quality control process during the assembly process. So we just make sure every size of the enclosures is on the right according to the drawing. PDM has 5 inspectors, 1 for the incoming material inspection, 3 inline inspectors for the production steps, and 1 inspector for the final products. All raw material incoming are inspected, such as steel sheet, hardware, fans, and so on. Each step like laser cutting, welding, polishing, and so on are inspected. All enclosures and cabinets are 100% inspected. Every month with a quality reviewing meeting to review problems and make plans with the tools such as AD report, PDCA, FMEA, and so on. This is the quality control process of the raw materials. We have to ensure the material is the right one and also the right thickness, the right materials grade. We use this chemical to ensure if the stainless steel grade is the 201 and 304. So you can just see the colors. So we use this chemical to ensure if the material is on the right grade. We just check it according to the colors. This is the quality control in the bending process. So our workers will ensure the size and also the angles are on the right way according to the drawing. This quality control process is very important before the bending process. We can just make every process is right and every detail is just according to your drawing. This quality control process is before the welding process. For the first welding process, we just make the enclosure structure, and in this process, we will ensure every bolt and nut is on the right size according to the drawing, and also all the accessories is on the side. This is a quality control process for the final product. So this process is very important before the order packaging. So we just make sure that every details, including the size, the thickness, the accessories, the drawing, and the sealing system, and the whole structure is really 100% based on the drawing. And also we have a quality control report for every enclosure you make. So we're just making sure the holes and the materials and the thickness and the back of the panel, the notches, the locking system, all the accessories is on the right size and right requirement based on your order.